guys, let's talk about some smart door lock. The best 3. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Security Door Lock. This is a waterproof digital door lock. The Tuya digital fingerprint lock is made of high quality ABS material, which is waterproof and anti-corrosion. The fingerprint lock is compatible with a wide range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, etc. In a short, the feature of this door lock: app remote control, fingerprint unlock, password unlock, RFID card unlock, key unlock, temporary password unlock, USB charging port, 8 languages voice free to switch. The best 2. SmarDeer Smart Door Lock Security. The SmarDeer Door Lock has lots of features. It's powered by the dry batteries. The handle direction is reversible, allowing it to be installed on both left hand and right hand doors. It is suitable for installation to domestic locks. The specific protection level is not mentioned. It is not waterproof. It is designed to fit door thickness ranging from 35 mm to 50 mm. It can be used on wooden doors, stainless steel doors, and steel doors. The package included the door body, 2 cards, and 2 keys. The lock has a powder coated finish. It features a biometric fingerprint sensor to unlocking. It supports also Wi-Fi connectivity. The lock can be unlocked using a card, mechanical keys, password, fingerprint, app, and Wi-Fi. The model number is Lock 33. The brand is SmarDeer. Please check description for more information. The best 1. XSDTS Tuya Wi-Fi Digital Electronic Smart Door Lock. This door lock is a cutting-edge door lock system with multiple unlocking methods, suitable for various door types. The smart door is powered by dry batteries, specifically designed for the 5050 mortise. The lock can fit door thickness ranging from 40 cm to 70 cm. It's compatible with steel doors, wooden door, brass door, stainless steel doors, and other doors type. You can unlock this door with Tuya Smart Life app, mechanical keys, card, IC card, Wi-Fi, password, fingerprint, and other specified methods. To know more, please check details in the description. Thank you.